Hi, my name is Nur Kamarina binti Jasri, matrix number 267656, and today I will present about the Papa John's Pizza Company, the liquidity risk and its determinant. Next, first, we go to the background of company. Papa John was founded in 1984 by Papa John Snatter. He changed a brush storeroom in the rear of his father's bar in Jeffersonville, Indiana, into a space to make a pizza. John Snatter sold his 1971 Camaro ZSX to buy gear to make pizza. They opened up to the world in 1993, and simply a year from that point onward, the organization had more than 500 stores. Papa John had opened an aggregate of 1,500 stores 4 years later. The problem statement of this study is, the key related with this business is liquidity risk and productivity. Liquidity risk is the ability of a firm, company, or even an individual to pay its debt without suffering catastrophic loss. Conversely, liquidity risk stems from the lack of marketability of an investment that can't be bought or sold quickly enough to prevent or minimize a loss. For the research objective, first is to determine the internal factors that may affect the liquidity risk. Second, to find the external factors that may affect the liquidity risk. Third, to examine the internal and external factors that may influence the liquidity risk. For the research question is, first, is there any relationship between internal factors and liquidity risk? Is there any relationship between external factors towards liquidity risk? And last, is there any relationship between internal factors and external factors toward liquidity risk? The purpose of this study is to answer all the questions in this research. For the literature review, the literature review linked to these studies was mentioned in this chapter. The secondary record that can be accessed from papers, articles, and other documents are observed by these studies. These sources have wide range of detail that can be used. In this study, 5 articles will be discussed that relate to the company result, liquidity risk, credit risk, financial risk, and operational risk. Methodology. Next is methodology. Methodology is an effective hypothetical investigation of the method used in the field of research. It consists of a hypothetical review of the spectrum of information branch, technique, and standards. The objective of this review is to understand the Papa John's Pizza Organization Presentation, IBM Statistical Package for Social Science or SPSS, Statistic Version 25 is the method used to collect and reserve data. For the sampling technique, the number of inhabitants in this analysis is the largest fast food industry organization in the United States. One of the companies, Papa John's Pizza, was chosen from the community. The organizational report from 2014-2018 is used to assess the relationship between the current variable internal and external factor. This is the data analysis. The internal factor, external factor, internal and external factor toward the liquidity risk. Finding analysis is to evaluate the outcome and effect. SPSS is used. Any of the statistical functions such as correlation tables, coefficient, graph plotting, and others could be generated by using SPSS. In addition, to make the statistic more accurate, the histogram, standard p-plot, case-wise diagnostic, and the Durbin-Watson statistic can also be computed. However, in this project, the main emphasis is on linear regression analysis. Next we go to the model summary. For this study, the approach we use in computing the independent variable is the enter method. The column R represents the multiple coefficient of correlation. R can be considered to be one indicator of the consistency of the dependent variable prediction. In this case, a value of 0.892 indicates a good prediction level. The square column represents the value of R squared, which is the amount of variation of the dependent variable that the independent variable can describe. Our independent variable describes 79.6% of the uncertainty of our dependent variable to our value of 0.796. Next is for adjusted R squared. In this case, a value of 0.592 indicate that the parameters that are to be retained in the model explain through 59.2% of variance in the outcome variable. High difference between the R squared and modified R squared values suggests a weak model fit. A measure of the accuracy of the model is the standard error 0.854 of a model fit. That is the residual standard deviation. It indicates how incorrect one could be if the regression model was used to make estimate the dependent variable or interest variable. As for value of the Durbin-Watson statistic, a value equal to 2 indicate that the data does not have a serial correlation. Finally, compare with other internal independent variables, the interest rate and inflation are the best variable to be used. Okay, next we go to ANOVA. In this view of the ANOVA, the critical level of P estimation of the ANOVA is 0.204, which is more than 0.1. This implies that the relapse model doesn't have a reliable difference, which is the relapse model can't essentially predict the result variable. Next table, we go to descriptive statistics. In this table, in the SPSS system, the information obtained was finalized using an overview of only 2 examples from 2014 to 2018. For both internal and external factor, the mean and standard deviation of the dependent variable. And this, we use just inflation and interest rate. Next is correlation. Correlation in measurable term is to signify the connection between 2 quantitative factors except the relationship means straight that with a unit increment or reduction in the other. One variable increment or diminish a fixed number. Okay. The correlation of liquidity risk to Papa John Pizza Company Insight, just as our external variable, is appear in the table above. Only the current ratio of Papa John Pizza Company are connected decidedly to the liquidity chance, while the inflation and interest rate are unfavorably related to the liquidity ratio. From the table, we can see that the interest rate is minimal availability to the liquidity chance, while inflation is the best liquidity ratio in Papa John Pizza Company. As for the internal factor and external factors of correlation. Okay, we move on to coefficient. Based on the coefficient table, the inflation and interest rate is the internal and external independent variable that influence the current ratio. Since the p-value more than 0.010 with significant level of 0.794 and 0.108, the inflation and interest rate will not affect the liquidity risk significantly. Next, we go to chart. The histograms, common p-plot, and the scatter plot for the needy variable are appear in the chart. Discussion. Our discussion of the result. In view of chapter 4, there are 3 models, remember, for the relapse model, which is internal factor, external factor, and internal and external factors. Accordingly, the relapse model that utilizes internal factor is the same as the relapse model that employment inwards and outside variable. Along this line, there are sufficient proof to state that the internal factor has impacted the liquidity hazard the most. For the recombination, in light of the outcome, the operational proportion is emphatically impact on the liquidity hazard essentially. Subsequently, to control the liquidity hazard, the operational proportion should have been declined also. To diminish the operational proportion, the transient expenses and commitment ought not to be dismissed. This is on the ground that this expense is staying with the running viably. Despite the fact that the corporate administration isn't identified with the liquidity hazard, nonetheless, the corporate administration could assist the organization with keeping up the dependability of the organization. Hence, the organization is prescribed additionally to actualize the corporate administration in their everyday activities. Particularly, the four mainstays of the corporate administration: straightforwardness, reasonableness, freedom, and responsibility. That's all from me. Thank you.